move this.
Okay, come on.
Hi
Hey guys! Thanks for clicking on our video.
Alright.
So this weekend we are actually out of town. We're in Virginia. We're close by Tyson's Corner. So we're about 4 hours north of where we live.
Yeah.
And we just wanted to film a
Shopping haul.
Shopping haul.
So right now is 9:07. We arrived in Virginia this morning. So this whole day we were kind of just like shopping, chilling around, and we were doing like a mini haul of what we got today. So
yeah, so we actually also went to IKEA, the Woodbridge location, and we got some items, but a lot of that stuff is in the car, and we're just gonna wait until we get back home to deal with it, and maybe build it, and then show you guys what we got.
There'll be like a little add-on clip at the end.
Yeah. So this is what we got
today. So it consists of a little bit of clothing. It's not a huge haul. Just because there's a lot of things that we actually don't really need, so we didn't buy too much, like, compared to normally, so yeah, it's gonna be a quick haul.
What was your first item? Okay, so my first item was actually at Swarovski, and I'm actually wearing the item now. It's actually this ring set right here.
I don't know if you can see it.
If you can see, so this ring set actually is 2 pieces. It comes apart like this. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but
I got the exact same ring, but I got it before hers.
So it's like this slanted rectangle.
Yeah, maybe if you like.
Yeah, I don't know if you can focus on.
Can you like?
Yeah,
focus?
there we go. So it separates like that, and it's like slanted. So we got matching ones.
Yeah, so I got this earlier. I didn't get on this trip. All right. So in Swarovski, I also got a ring. This is one of those like split up rings also. Like
I really like that one. She actually got it off of the display.
Yeah, because they didn't have it. So they come in a little box. And this is actually what the ring looks like in the box. You guys can see. And then whenever you wear it, you can wear it together like this. I'm going to show you. So it comes in 3 pieces. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, 3 pieces, and then you can wear it together, and it looks like this. It's really cute and gorgeous. Here, let me see if I can. I don't know how to. Will that do?
No, it's like way bright now.
No. All right. So yeah, let me turn back on the light. I don't think that worked.
Okay, better? Alright, and the next big item I got was also from Swarovski, and I've always wanted one of their watches, and I haven't gotten one yet, except until today.
I haven't even seen the watch, because whenever you got it, I was looking at other stuff, so I didn't.
So, this is the box.
It's a big old box.
It's a big box.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Have you seen this?
I saw the white one.
Okay, no,
But apparently she didn't buy the white one.
I didn't buy the white one. I ended up buying this one because I thought it was very unique, like the shade and everything, and the design is scream Swarovski to me. Let me put it back on its little cushion. No, it's okay. I'll just show you guys on this, and I'll wear it. So it's like this turquoise strap, and I don't know, the reflection's kind of hitting it. There you go. And then it's like these crystals on the ring around the face. Yeah, you can kind of see it. And then it's like the little swan in the very top. And the strap is this very gorgeous turquoise blue. I don't have a strap like this, so I'm very excited. And it looks pretty good with my bangle. I kind of like that. It's a very statement piece.
Oh.
Right?
It's like one of those iconic watches.
Yeah. So what about you?
Alright, so after that, this is the last little pick-me-up. I got 3 pens, and they're all different styles. So they're all sealed currently. Should I open them?
Just open one, because the other ones are gifts, so you don't want to crack the packaging.
This one this is the one that I got for my friend because she got into college, so this is a gift to her. I'm not going to open that. But this second one is mine. And this one's already kind of open. So they have these like felt tip bags. And then this is one of the pen. I love the black and gold. That's like my favorite combination. Ones. Yeah. So it just like twists it and then it'll come up. So yeah, I love the little logo right here. That's like my favorite one. And then the other one, it's basically a white mini pen with like a stylus tip at the end. One. So yeah, I got this one in case I use like an iPad or something. So that's all I got at Swarovski.
Cool. So the next store I went to was Armani Exchange.
I didn't get anything.
I got this really cool hat. So like this hat, I've been wanting something similar to this style. Okay,
put your hair down.
Yeah, I gotta put my hair down. So I've been wanting something similar to this style for a while now, and I haven't like gotten or came across one that I really liked. Wait, hold on. Let me fix this whole hair situation. Okay, much better. Kind of like this. I really like. Is this a no? It's not a fedora.
It's not a fedora. It's like it's a floppy hat.
It's a floppy hat. I think it's just black with this.
Yeah.
Like little.
It's like a good fall hat because of the texture of it. Yeah. So it's a good fall hat with like a cute like light sweater with some booties.
Okay. Cool.
I didn't get anything from there, so
yeah.
What else? You can do Tumi. I didn't get anything from Tumi either. Okay. So
Tumi is like my favorite luggage brand of all time. Many people like Rimowa from Germany. Not my favorite, but I got the international size. This huge,
that's the biggest size.
Mustardy yellowish gold tone with these edges that I really like, and then it has like the key lock in the side. And
I love the detailing,
the engraving in the back. Oh
yeah,
this just looks like gold to me. Like
it's like low key, and the quality is really good.
Yeah,
Tumi has by far like the best suitcase qualities. You can beat them up, and they have warranty.
They have warranty, international tracking.
And there's also like a serial number barcode inside the luggage in case it's lost. You can always track it down.
So this is a large trip packing case. It's 100% polycarbonate with 100% nylon lining. The size is 30 inches by 19.5 inches by 12.25 inches. So this is the biggest one for international traveling. I actually have the carry-on size in a similar shade, not the specific one, but this is the closest one that would match it because we bought it at different times. But I love this suitcase.
What's the retail price on this?
Retails for $645. And like I don't think I can get this engraved.
But I feel like luggages are one of the things that you kind of invest in. It's almost like handbags because they just
last so long.
It makes a difference. Like if you buy a poorly made one, I mean after like a few times it'll be really beat up and broken, and by the time you buy your second one it costs almost the same.
Yeah. So I definitely recommend Tumi suitcases. They are definitely an investment piece. I don't think I could buy a whole set at one time. Like it's just not that big of a deal to me, but like when you start using Tumi, you'll really love the quality, their service, and you know they're a very well respected travel luggage company all around the world. Like they don't receive the hype that they deserve, honestly, to me. So that's why I'll always be a Tumi fan. Awesome. Okay. What's next? You go.
All right.
It's your YSL.
Let's do YSL. Yeah. So we went to a cosmetics store.
We're gonna do all Touche Collant?
Yeah, we got some YSL stuff. So the reason why we got so many is because we kind of want to do like a first impression for you guys, even though this product has been out, but I feel like there's not really a whole lot of reviews on them. So
just to start off, I used 2.5 and
these are all I got.
These are the
I got 5 Touche Collants.
I got 4. 2 of them are in the same shade, 2.5. This is what I use every day. These are kind of just like restocking. Nothing special about them, so let's leave them be. But these two, well, here, I'll hold out this one because you don't have this one.
Okay.
This is the shade white in Touche Collant.
So these are the correctors. These 4 are the correctors. And I have 1, 2, and 3.
And I have
She
white.
has white. So that the white one is for highlight.
You guys have to see
the number
packaging.
1 is
Packaging is
totally
gorgeous,
forgot.
isn't it?
Yeah, they're all like color.
This one's just like a silver packaging.
This one's like a light,
Peach.
like an apricot kind of.
What's their shade?
And then this one is blue, like a
Ooh.
pretty blue.
Looks green.
And then
it's green.
No, it's not. It's like a like aqua color. The aqua blue. And then this one's purple. I have this one at
Let's
home.
put them all together.
So yeah, these are the 4, and we are gonna do like a really cool first impression of them.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So not too much on these.
So I got these.
We'll let you guys
I
know.
have also bought an extra one of the number 2 because it's like a redness corrector. So I have a lot of rosacea. So that's why I bought 2 of those. And then I also bought a Touche Éclat in number 6, which is a bit darker color for me. But I'm going to try to use this as like a light contour color. Since I do have dry skin, I kind of sometimes want to stay away from powders. So I'm really excited for this. Yeah, because
I've had great experiences with their Touche Éclat.
I've never heard anybody use this as a contour. So I'm kind of like excited to try this out.
So do you want to talk about the blush? I want to talk about the lipstick.
Yeah. So we both got a blush, and we both got the same one. So this is the Heart of Light powder blush in number 8. Their packaging kind of reflects. And inside, I love their packaging. Comes with a little felt bag, like all luxurious brand cosmetics. Whoops. So this is the blush. So as you can tell, on the outer part, it's more like an apricot, and the inner part is more pinkish. And when you swirl it together, it makes a really subtle blush.
And this will be a part of the first impressions video too. So the last 2 YSL products I got are the Rouge Per Couture's. They're both the limited edition and the Lights collection. I don't know if you can tell. It's a really big reflection. So it's called the Dazzling Lights edition. I got it in shade 90 and 70. They're both very nude. So this is the 90. I'm not going to swatch them now because I'm going to do the first impression. But like it's this plummy nude. Like great for fall kind of nude.
Should we do a fresh full face first impression?
That's true. And then this is just
could do
a
that.
very nudie nude.
See, I kind of actually like
Yeah, I can kind of see. Okay. I'm not going to swatch them because I don't like swatching my makeup. Alright, what else did we get? We got a vest. We got... Alright, let me show you guys the vest.
Do you want to do this one? Yeah, you can do it.
I'll do the vest.
You call me.
Okay.
Alright.
So, this was from North Face. And it's
We both got the same one, different size, because we both... I've been like, there was a point of time where I was on like a rampage about trying to get some Olympic gears during like the Olympics, and so I was not really happy because I wasn't able to get any. They were like all sold out, and then I ran across this vest today, and I was like, I'm gonna get it.
Yeah. So it says like USA
USA
here. Not YSL. It has the American flag and the North Face logo. And this is part of their international collection.
It's really cute. Like
it's really
they're
warm. Yeah.
there's like a tag to show it's
I like how they did the hood.
2018.
Like
I have
this
the
right here.
hood.
That's
It's just really cute overall for like a fall casual look. And it's like a long vest. So
Yeah, it's pretty long.
yeah. Alright, and then from North Face I also got another jacket.
Let me pick this up.
And this jacket is actually men's, but I can fit in it, so oh well. And this is like it looks blue.
It's
on
July
camera.
and we're buying jackets.
It's blue. It picks up blue on camera, but in real life, it's like a lighter blue. And so it's in a medium. It's a... I don't know the name of this.
Morph hoodie in the
That's the
brilliant
name?
blue, yeah. Yeah.
So I'll show you guys the tag right there. That way you can pause it and look. And Yeah, there's not that much about this jacket.
It's just like a basic kind of down jacket.
Yeah, so it's just for
An essential.
Yeah, for winter. Basically, that's
So,
alright.
Okay. The last item we got was kind of a splurge, which is why we're kind of debating on whether to show you now. Now, it's the Supreme branded Perfecting Peeling Gel.
And you know how when you like go to the mall and there's like mini kiosks in the middle of like the walkway, and there's always like somebody trying to sell you these. Well, when we were little, our mom bought one, and we sometimes used it, not all the time. And then we really like it. So.
Yeah. So with the peeling gel, what you do is like this jelly consistency, and then you put it maybe like a dime size at most, and then you put it on your face, and you kind of rub, and you'll like have the little gel pieces come up. It's kind of like your dead skin. So it's very satisfying.
So satisfying.
It's very satisfying to see the dead skin kind of roll up on your skin. This isn't good for every skin type. It's kind of good for a little bit more dry and people that don't exfoliate on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. It's kind of like that little pick-me-up or little miracle.
It's like one of those like glam glows.
Yeah, like you need to do this maybe once a month. This is not an everyday thing. You might need to do this.
I mean, I guess you can do it like once a week, but they normally don't recommend you because it'll just make your skin really rough.
Yeah, so I would say maybe once a month or before a big event that you need to attend or dinner that you want to look good for. And that's it. That's it. That's all we got today. Hopefully more to come with IKEA.
Yes.
We also need to do our updated room tour. All our beds came in, all our furniture came in.
We went to IKEA and bought some stuff for the room, so we're gonna go home, set that up, make it make it like how we want it to be, and then we'll do an updated room tour. But mostly our bed is kind of like set to how we want it. We're just missing like 1 or 2 pieces from IKEA, which we bought today, so we are gonna do that.
Yes. So we are gonna be leaving Virginia Sunday. Sunday. So definitely more videos to come related to this trip.
More shopping.
Yes. And remember to click subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe the video.
Yes.
And comment. What's our question of the day? Let's do.
Who splurges on travel? You can like splurge on traveling or travel accessories or just traveling. Or what do you think about traveling? Do you enjoy traveling?
Yeah. That's our question of the video.
Yeah.
What is your opinion on traveling? Since it is somewhat traveling season. Is it traveling season?
Yeah, it's traveling season right now, and we're traveling, and I bought traveling accessories. Just like let us know, like, do you enjoy traveling? Do you wish you could travel more? Kind of thing. And
I think that's it.
Yeah. Feel free to follow us on Twitter, Instagram. We'll link those below. And that's it. Have a good day.